Spend your day in Sitka, Alaska on a multi-stop tour, visiting amazing local destinations. Meet your guide and begin your adventure aboard a comfortable passenger van as you head south along the stunning Silver Bay. Visit Sitka's National Historical Park as you enjoy a stroll through the enchanting rainforest rich in history, featuring impressive totem poles and a cultural center. Explore the Fortress of the Bears, a non-profit sanctuary that provides a safe haven for multiple rescued coastal brown bears and black bears. Head over to the Alaskan Raptor Center, a vital rehabilitation facility for birds of prey. Here you can observe various eagles and owls, including in the renowned Flight Training Center, where bald eagles practice their flight skills, preparing for their return to the wild. Come explore the natural beauty and rich history of Sitka, Alaska.